Welcome to Barakpur Senate Public School. Hello everyone, myself Moumita Ghosdostidar, Assistant Teacher of Biology. I will explain about excretory system. What is excretion? Various metabolic wastes are produced in our body. These wastes become toxic or poisonous if allowed to accumulate inside the body. Therefore, a system is required for the removal of these metabolic wastes, which is known as excretion. Do you know what is excretion and egestion? What are the difference between excretion and egestion? Excretion should not be confused with egestion. The removal of undigested food or feces is called egestion, while elimination of metabolic waste like urea is called excretion. What are the excretory organs of human body? Lungs, several organs take part in excretion in human beings. Along with the lungs, skin, liver and kidneys, the transport system of our body also plays an important role in excretion process. Lungs. Lungs help the body to get rid of carbon dioxide through exhalation. Kidneys, main excretory organ, help in removal of nitrogenous waste along with excess water and salt from the body. What about skin? When we perspire, sweat glands in the skin excrete salts, water and some urea in the form of sweat. Liver excrete bile pigments. And what about renal excretory system? The renal excretory system of human beings consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Do you know the structure of kidney? Each kidney has two distinct layers, renal medulla and renal cortex. The medulla contains cone-shaped structure called renal pyramids, which are made up of millions of microscopic filtering units called nephrons or renal tubules. Each nephron consists of a cup-shaped structure known as Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule continues behind as a narrow convoluted tubules and opens into the collecting ducts. All the collecting ducts then pass through medulla and enter the renal pelvis, which opens into the ureter. The Bowman's capsule encloses network of blood capillaries called the glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together form Malpighian body. Do you know how urine is formed in our body? The process of urine formation includes some basic steps: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion, and then excretion. Glomerular filtration. Water and solutes smaller than proteins are forced through the capillary walls and pores of the glomerular capsule into the renal tubule. Tubular reabsorption. Water, glucose, amino acids, and needed ions are transported out of the filtrate into the tubule cells and then enter the capillary blood. What about tubular secretion? Hydrogen ion, potassium ion, creatinine and drugs are removed from the peritubular blood and secreted by the tubule cells into the filtrate. Common disorders of urinary system. The malfunctioning of urinary system causes certain disorders. It includes any diseases, disorders or conditions that affect the function of any part of the urinary system. Some common urinary disorders are UTI, urinary tract infection, is caused when bacteria get into the bladder or kidneys, ureters and urethra. It is very common in children. However, people or also ages get infected by UTIs. Kidney stones are the small masses of salts and minerals that accumulate inside the kidneys and may travel down the urinary tract. Kidney stones range in size from just a speck to as big as tennis ball. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.